On a cold winter day in 1867, a girl was born in Europe who would one day change the history of science forever. Her name was Marie Curie. She was not only her research on radiation opened the door to new medical treatments, scientific discoveries, and a deeper understanding of the universe. But behind her success was a life filled with hardship, struggle, and sacrifice. Early life and struggles. Marie Curie was born in the city of Warsaw, in Poland. Her birth name was Maria Skłodowska. Her father was a teacher, and from a young age she developed a strong interest in science and mathematics. However, at that time women in Poland were not allowed to receive higher education. Despite this barrier, she dreamed of becoming a great scientist. To support her education, she worked as a governess and spent years saving money for her studies. A new life in Paris. In 1891, she moved to Paris. There she enrolled at the famous University of Paris. Life in Paris was extremely difficult for her. She lived in a small cold room and sometimes did not even have enough money for food. Yet she continued her studies and achieved outstanding results in physics. Meeting Pierre Curie. While studying in Paris, she met another scientist, Pierre Curie. Their shared passion for science soon turned into a deep partnership and love. They married in 1895 and began conducting scientific research together. The discovery of radioactivity. In 1896, scientist Henry Becquerel discovered a mysterious type of radiation. Marie Curie decided to investigate the strange phenomenon. She was the first scientist to use the term radioactivity. During her research, she discovered two new chemical elements. Polonium named her homeland Poland. Radium the first Nobel Prize. In 1903, Marie Curie, Pierre Curie, and Henry Becquerel were awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics. She became the first woman in history to win a Nobel Prize. Personal tragedy. In 1906, tragedy struck her life. Her husband Pierre Curie died in a tragic street accident. This was a devastating moment for Marie Curie. However, she did not give up. Instead, she continued the scientific work they had started together. The second Nobel Prize. In 1911, she made history again. She was awarded the Nobel Prize in Chemistry for her discovery of radium and polonium. With this achievement, she became the first person ever to win two Nobel Prizes, World War I and humanitarian work. When World War I began, Marie Curie used her scientific knowledge to help wounded soldiers. She developed mobile X-ray units to diagnose injuries on the battlefield. These vehicles became known as Little Curies. Through this innovation, thousands of soldiers' lives were saved. Final years. Years of working with radiation sorely damaged her health. In 1934, she died from aplastic anemia, a disease caused by prolonged radiation exposure. But her discoveries continue to impact the world today. Her work contributed to cancer treatment, medical imaging, nuclear science,